These results are specific to this individual only. Individual results and activity levels after surgery vary and depend on many factors, including age, weight, and prior activity level.
I like living in rural Texas because it's quiet, it's peaceful, it's a much slower lifestyle. We can't just jump in the car and run to the grocery store. The ranch is inherited from my in-laws. Every day there's work to do on the ranch. From weed eating to mowing, there's always something to do. I originally injured my ankle by trying to move a gun safe, a big, large gun safe. I was trying to move it up a small curb, and when I pulled it up, I feel like my foot got caught between the curb and the dolly, and whenever I tried to pull it, it just twisted my ankle. It just totally turned it upside down. As a result of my injury, I had 6 surgeries. Whenever the surgeries were complete, I slowly got to where I could walk, but that lasted about a month and a half, and by noon, 1 or 2 o'clock, felt like my ankle was on fire. It just burned and hurt so bad every single step. The impact on the quality of my life was devastating. So I spent quite a bit of time just depressed, trying to think of what's my life going to be like? How can I take care of the ranch? How can I do the things that I need to do to survive? When my surgeon told me about fusion, I just said, no way. From the get-go, that was never an option. The surgeon looked at me and said, Dan, there is no cartilage in there at all. It's bone on bone. So you have to have either the ankle fused immediately, or you need to immediately look into total ankle replacement. My total ankle replacement surgery was performed by Dr. Keith Heyer from Carrollton, Texas. When I first visited with Dr. Heyer, he told me about the Infinity ankle. There was no thinking about it. It was just, let's do it. Before the surgery, they had asked me on a pain level, was it 0 to 10? I said, my pain level is a 15, maybe a 20. It's off the charts. And it starts from the minute I open my eyes in the morning till the minute I go to bed. It was intense. When I finished therapy, 0, no pain, which is a miracle. It's truly a miracle. When I made the decision to have that total ankle replacement, my hopes was that I'd be able to regain my lifestyle. I would be able to regain my ability to work. The Infinity ankle has so surpassed my expectations because I can not only walk, I can do lots of things that I never dreamed I'd be able to do again. It's been 10 months since I received my Infinity ankle, and I feel great. When people see me walking, they can't believe. They're saying, Dan, there's no way you should be walking. There's no way, you don't even limp. It is amazing not to be worried about my ankle. It's mind-blowing. If I had it all to do over again, I would get the total ankle replacement, the Infinity ankle. I'd do it over and over. There's no question about it.
There are risks and recovery times associated with surgery, and there are certain individuals who should not undergo surgery. Only a physician can tell you if this product and associated procedure are right for you and your unique circumstances. Please consult with a physician for complete information regarding benefits, risks, and possible outcomes.